Is food intolerance doing your head in? Do you suspect you have an allergy which is causing you medical issues? If not, this video is not for you and you should click away from the video now. However, if you suffer from bowel pain, indigestion or bloating, or maybe you are just feeling lethargic, do you have a really deep itch that never goes away, or hives, or eczema? Have you almost given up trying to find out what is causing your issues? Well, this might be the first piece of good news you have had in ages. The easiest and fastest way to determine what your issue is to have a few strands of your hair tested for intolerance to over 300 foods and 300 non-food items, all for less than £50. The testing is non-invasive and is no more stressful than having a haircut. Post a few strands of your hair to the laboratory and have the results back in 3 to 5 business days. After 6 weeks, if you are not totally satisfied with the way you are now feeling, then contact Intolerance Labs, and you will be refunded 100% of your money, no questions asked. That's how confident they are that you will be more than happy with their tolerance testing package. Click on the button Get Test below to order your starter test now. Just take a moment to imagine being free from pain, embarrassment, and the inconvenience of being intolerant to something. Take action today by clicking the Get Test button below. Nothing changes if nothing changes. Take back your control and start your journey to managing your allergies today. Click the Get Test button below now. Intolerance Labs analyze your hair sample against over 700 known food and non-food allergens and toxins in their database. It is highly likely that if you are intolerant to something, Intolerance Labs will know about it and give you a comprehensive report. Without any intolerance test, you might never know the truth about your condition. Short hair or no hair, no problems, you can use hair from your leg, arm or even chest hair. No issue with dyed hair either. Don't let a food allergy make your life miserable. Click the Get Test button below and start your road to freedom. Thank you for watching this video, and we wish you a full and rewarding life without being hindered by allergies.